Being highly sensitive, particularly after 50, doesn't mean that you're weak. In fact, new research shows it could be used as a secret superpower for your brain health and for longevity. But it's a double edged sword. And today I'm going to explain to you what it means to be highly sensitive, why it matters for us women over 50, and most importantly, what you can do today to protect your mind and your body while using this trait of sensitivity to your advantage. So, what does it mean to be highly sensitive? Let's break it down simply so we all understand. Being highly sensitive means that your brain and your body reacts more strongly to what's around you, what's in your environment. Maybe you notice bright lights or loud sounds or other people's moods more than most people do. You may even notice subtle details in your environment that other people miss. You might cry at commercials or feel easily overwhelmed in crowds, or maybe you get deeply affected by stress. But that's not a weakness. That's emotional sensitivity. And a recent meta analysis, basically, this was a giant study that reviewed 33 other studies. It found that highly sensitive people are more likely to experience things like anxiety, depression, and even post traumatic stress. So, about 31% of the population, or one in three, are considered highly emotionally sensitive. And again, it's not seen as a disorder, it's a natural variation in how our brain process the world. By the way, the link to the study will be below. But here's a hopeful twist in all of this. Sensitivity is a double sided trait because although it increases your risk of stress related health issues, it can also make you more responsive to positive experiences and to therapies. In other words, while negative environment might affect you more, positive ones also might affect you more. So if you feed your brain and body the right things, you'll often see even greater benefits than someone who isn't highly sensitive. And that's why I said to you, sensitivity could be seen as a superpower if used the right way. So why does it matter in women after 50? Women after 50, we're dealing with big life changes, right? There's menopause, caregiving stress, retirement transition, and these can cause hormonal shift, sleep issues, and stress. And we also face a higher risk of dementia compared to men. If you are highly sensitive, those stressors may hit you harder. But the hopeful part is that your brain is also primed to get bigger results from positive lifestyle changes. So by using these tools I'm about to share with you, you can actually protect your mental health. You can support your memory and even age more gracefully. So, here are some of the lifestyle strategies that I'm about to share with you. And so, if you recognize yourself as a sensitive person, 5 simple strategies can help transform sensitivity into strength. So, the first one is mindfulness and relaxation. Just 5 minutes a day of deep breathing, meditation, or guided relaxation is shown to lower stress hormone and protect your memory. Number two, create a calm environment. Set up soothing spaces, soft light, calming music, even plant, one of my favorites. A calm environment helps sensitive brain recharge. Number three, nature time. Studies show that nature lowers blood pressure and stress level. Sensitive people can especially thrive in the outdoors, whether it's a walk in the park or near a body of water or gardening. Number four, social connection. Sensitive women often feel emotions deeply, which makes positive relationships extra powerful. So prioritize friendship and community. They're one of the strongest predictors, by the way, of long life. Number five is novelty and creativity. Your brain loves new challenges. So try a new hobby, cook a new recipe, or learn a new skill. Novelty or doing something new stimulates brain growth and helps protect against memory loss. Remember, sensitivity means you respond more strongly. So the more you practice these habits, the bigger the payoff. So if you've been told that you're sensitive, here's the truth. Your sensitivity is not a flaw, but it can be used as a strength. When you learn to harness it, it can actually support your brain's health and your emotional well being and even your longevity. If this video resonated with you, let me know in the comment below. Are you a sensitive person? And if you like this video, you're probably going to like the next one. And that's going to be how to create a brain friendly environment after 50.